In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a mass airflow sensor on a Subaru Forester with a 2.5 liter engine. It is located in the engine bay area. After you raised your hood, you want to locate your air box, which is on the left-hand side. That's this piece here. This is your mass airflow sensor. Your mass airflow sensor is held in by 2 Phillips screws and a plug. Push down on a lever here. You can take a pick from the other end and pull to the right. That off to the side. Remove your 2 Phillips screws. And lift straight out. Once you have your mass airflow sensor out, this is a good time to check your wiring. Check for any corrosion or wires pulling out from the back side. This looks good. On your mass airflow sensor, you're going to have a little O-ring here. Make sure that is not ripped or rolled. You want to install it, push down. Install your 2 Phillips screws. Once your 2 Phillips screws are tight, install your plug. Listen for that click. Once your mass airflow sensor is installed, you want to hop in that driver's seat, start the vehicle, make sure your engine is running properly, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.